Hello Christmas crafters, welcome to Elf Creations, or should I say Create at Home with Elf Creations, and today's Christmas craft. Do you remember the rustic kind of Victorian natural looking candle rings slash wreaths that I made earlier in the year, back in January I believe it was? I'll insert a picture here. Well, I had some of the limes left over and I wanted to make some picks. So I'm using the limes, the dried limes that I got on eBay. You can just type in dried limes and they come up. Some mini faux apples, some Christmas berries from Poundland, the in their Christmas stock, the cinnamon sticks from Poundland in their Christmas stock, and their orange slices from Poundland again from their Christmas stock. Now obviously these things aren't going to be around, but saying that, I have been into some Poundlands and they have had some of their Christmas DIY stuff still out in their crafting section, so you may have one of the larger stores and they may still be out. So I've got these pine branches and I'm going to make some picks. Now I've got these on eBay. All you've got to do is type in faux pine and it comes up. So I'm going to, and I've made multiples of this, and this is going to be a really quick video because these don't take long at all. I am literally just going to add these items to this pick, and then I'll show you the other ones that I've done. And I'm really happy with the way that they turn out, and I think they will go perfectly well with the wreaths that I made, the candle rings. They're not going to be wreaths, they're going to be candle rings. Obviously it takes a bit of time for things to dry, but I'm going to, so that looks like that already. And I'm going to add the dried orange slice. And I'll tell you something, crafters, it smells so nice. It smells so festive and Christmassy. So Merry Christmas in March, because you should be seeing this in March. If for some reason you don't see this in March, Merry Christmas in April. Okay, let's put in the little mini faux apple. You can go there. And now I need 3 of these pip berries. And I'm going to put them together. And I'm going to twist them. And splay them out. Put some hot glue on the wires, and I'm going to poke that. I don't want it there. Yosh. Okay, you didn't go in, did you, Mr. Apple? Get your bow in there, thank you very much. Glue strings. Okay, and that is literally it, crafters. You could add a ribbon if you wanted to. But the new tree that we got last year is very real looking, and I really want to do kind of a Dickensian Victorian theme. So I'm going very much down the natural route, because obviously in the Victorian era, when Christmas was kind of really, making its footprints, they used a lot of natural elements, so lots of food, lots of greenery, that type of thing. And I think these look lovely in my tree. So that's one I just did for you on camera. I'm just going to show you all the ones that I did. Now as you can see, I haven't done them all in the same direction. I've put things at the back. The limes are facing different ways. I did run out of the small pine cones, so I will need to buy some of those, because in some of them I've put in some of the small pine cones, and I really want to do that on the ones that I don't have it on. So I think these are going to look really good in my tree this year, or even just as when you're doing decor and you want to poke something in to give it a bit of a lift. So there we go. Really happy with the way that they turned out, and I think they'll go really well with the candle rings. Really looking forward to getting these on the tree. I know I've got months to go, but never mind. Thank you very much for joining me today with this very swift craft, and you'll see me very soon with more Christmas creations. Take care now. Bye bye.